Orange you glad it's fall? Okay. For today's party trick, we'll be making orange pumpkins. For this, you'll need whole oranges, a paring knife, a hand juicer, a grapefruit spoon, mint sprigs, a straw, and of course a cocktail. We'll begin by taking a whole orange and slicing off the top. So, and we'll reserve this. We'll take our hand juicer into a bowl, get as much out as we can. We're gonna reserve this for a cocktail later. Ooh, lots of good juice. And then we're gonna take the grapefruit spoon and we're gonna hollow it out, get out the remaining pulp, and then you can strain this after. This is messy, but it's worth it. There we are. So, we're gonna take our paring knife again and we're gonna make a notch in the top. You can make a little X. That's gonna give us room about 1/2 inch by 1 inch to insert the straw, a little extra juice, and insert the mint. We're going to take our cocktail here. This is a delicious Monkey 47 cocktail. You can find the recipe below.
Yay!
And then we're gonna top it with some GH Mumm. It's good to do a little bit at first and then you can keep building, otherwise it will overflow. And now for the fun part, we're gonna get the straw on the top here and pick out a pretty perky mint sprig. On the top just like so. And replace the lid. And here we have our orange pumpkin. This is seasonal, sustainable, and super cute. Thank you so much for watching Party Tricks with Jane. Make sure to follow us on social media. No? Still not? Okay.